Hey everyone, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture.pty. We're really starting to like these blind unboxings. I don't quite know what is happening. I feel like this is maybe becoming a new... Should we make it like a new topic? Like Jessie's Labubu's, where they just have like the mystery. Yeah, that's right. The mystery boxes where you don't know what you're going to get. We can do blind luxury unboxings. Let's just spend thousands of dollars on things and not even know what they look like in person before we show them, before we look at them. This today is a blind unboxing from the one and only HERMES. There is kind of like a little bit of a therapy session I have to have with you guys, and I think it starts after this. But you will never believe this. Never. I was excited about the last one, but trust me, in this box, this is the ultimate, okay? I was excited about the last one, but this is the ultimate. So here is the box. Down inside the HERMES bag, box, because this was an online purchase. It came up on the site, and I swear to God, I flipped out. Like literally freaked out. And that's why you add like Apple Pay straight away to side buttons, so you can just be like go, 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 go if you shop HERMES online, which I do both, and just like, or add to cart and go, because obviously they can cancel your order, or it can be you go to add to cart, it's like it's already unavailable, so on and so forth. This is the unboxing. You can probably tell by the size of the box, as we always say, but this. My last one I wanted to achieve because of what the material was. If you watched that unboxing for my first exotic, but this, never in a million years did I think I would ever. Let me see which way it is, so it's the right way up. Oh my God, is it even in here? Okay, yeah. Right way up. No. Yes. No. Okay. This way. Never in a million years would I think I would be able to get, especially online. Oh my gosh. So, oh, okay. This is the do not remove for exchange. Why is it not on it? That's so weird. Okay. Can we see? Can we see him down inside? This, I hold it against the white because I don't want, you know, the lens, these huge cameras do whatever they want. Can we see our little Milo Pegasus or Pegasus charm from HERMES? So black. This is a so black Pegasus. I call them a Pegasus, but I guess whatever you want to call it. The rodeo with the wings, okay? A Pegasus horse. This is a so black on the website. Like, what? What? That's like a Himalayan Birkin just sitting on the website. Like, anyone want to buy me? Oh my God, I will change the size of the lens so that you can see him up close. But oh my God. I know it's a bag charm situation. We have to talk about it. It's not right, and I know that these get a lot of hate. And I was speaking to Jessie about it because they're off cuts. Great, they're off cuts. Who cares? At the end of the day, who cares? It's not a handbag. That's right, it's off cuts. But they repurpose, ta-da, they charge you nearly $1,000 and you get a bag charm. That's great. You don't need to buy it. I do. It came up in a so black I could cry. Let me readjust this lens. There he is. Look at that. So you can see beautifully there we have the lanyard, which is what obviously you loop around. I would take him off the white. Let's just see, and I'll hold him, but see, this camera just doesn't, just freaks out. Plus I am in all black, naturally. So there is the lanyard that goes around, whatever you want to put it on. Some people, you know, hang them in the house or whatever they want to do. Most people can put them on their bags. Some people put them on their, you know, SLGs and things like that. Mix and match, put it on a Prada handbag. But I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there is his little wings. So you can see all the stamping in his wings and all the stitching. If you haven't seen a Rodeo Milo, Milo is the lambskin. So a Milo Rodeo, so horse. So this is the Pegasus version with the wings, so a Pegasus, and then his little tail. And then, yeah, there's all the Verso colours. Did I part with that in a vlog sale? I once had a 4 colour, which is so rare to come by, but I parted with that because I didn't feel like it went with my garden party. But this is like creme de la creme. So there's one side of him, and then you flip him around, and that's the other side. Let's straighten his little tail. Oh no, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's so gorgeous. Oh my god, I have a So Black Rodeo off the website. How did that happen? I have no idea. I have no idea. Get out of here. Oh my god, what a little cutie. And then his eyes, just a little imprint there. And his mane is actually stitched on like that, which you can see up nice and close. Oh my god. Hi, little guy. Oh my god, I have a So Black item from Hermes. How did this happen? Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to grab this guy, because this is the only black bag from Hermes that I own. We do want another one. I'm not going to lie. There is one up there I haven't shown you. It's not black, but still. We do want to achieve a black bag. I've decided new from the boutique. I've had many different ones that I've had opportunity of getting that aren't new from the boutique, but this is my only black mini Evelyn or Evelyn TPM or 16, which I just did an unboxing review on. I picked this up while I was on hiatus. So let's go ahead and put little Mr. So Black on my black. Oh my god. How did this happen? I'm going to loop him through the D-ring here on this side. So loop him through his own little lanyard there and pull him through like so, and move him around just till you get him where you want him. And that's kind of the go with most of them. Oh, that's So Black. What? I think most of the shock is off the website. Let me stand up. Let me stand back because I'm showing off. I'm showing off. I'm going to admit it. I am showing off because I am wearing my Hermes Constance double-sided 24mm. I got asked what this was. It's not the 32, which is the larger one that I did have. I sold it in a vlog sale. This is the 24. So this is the thinner. But I have it on the Swift on the black side because I'm showing off the gold, with my TPM, with my So Black Pegasus. Oh my god. Stop. I can't. How did this happen on the website? You must be joking. Was it a glitch? Was it a glitch? Oh, hi. Oh my gosh. He's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys. Get out of here. A So Black. A So Black. Wow. If that's not like the most epic find. I don't know what is. To find it on the website as well, comment below if you've ever come across like just a complete goldmine find like this and just had to add to cart and quickly exit as fast as you can. I know that a lot of girls have done that with picotines. I did that with my picotin. A lot of girls have done that with mini Lindy's where they just get it out to the cart and get out, and it's just like, oh my god, how did I, you know, when you're kind of requesting one on a wish list. But this, gosh, seriously, oh my gosh, stop. That is out of control. While I am here on the floor and I am saying I am showing off, I'm not giving you a review or anything. I can, and I did mention it is a great pre-spend, and a lot of you were like, oh my gosh, talk to me more about it, and I will. But a 2-for-1, it's insane. And the fact that it's 2 leathers is even more insane. Let me bring the lens back in because I wanted to do this together just on the end of this video for satisfaction reasons. Yeah, get it close because I have not peeled off the protective sticker to this belt, and I wanted to do it together with you guys. So here we go. Ooh, it is so satisfying. Look how shiny it is. You gotta get out of here. Wow, that is so crazy. That is crazy. Oh wow, I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. I did want it in the brushed. I did want it in the brushed gold because I'm scared of scratches, but hey, we can do another belt kit in the brushed gold. That is stunning. Anyway guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Peace.